Loretta and Lauren, best friends in the magical town of Gearhaven, were excited for the annual Tinkers Tournament. One day, a messenger owl delivered news that the Cogwheel of Creation, which powered the town's inventions, was missing. Without it, the Sparkle Parade would be ruined. Determined to help, they read about a reward for finding it, a lifetime supply of gears and art supplies. Loretta, an inventor, wanted to build a robot, while Lauren, an artist, suggested miniature magnetic beetles. After discussing their ideas, Loretta agreed with Lauren's plan. Loretta built the beetle bodies while Lauren crafted communication crystals and painted patterns. They improved communication, using simple explanations for complex ideas, and soon the beetles were ready. Inside the citadel, a locked door stopped them. Loretta wanted to use force to open it, but Lauren suggested solving the puzzle first. They worked together, and the door opened to reveal the cogwheel guarded by a clockwork gremlin. They used the beetles to move the gremlin. The cogwheel was saved and returned just in time for the parade. The town celebrated their success, rewarding them with gears and art supplies. Loretta and Lauren learned the value of listening and making joint decisions, discovering that teamwork was the best invention in Gearhaven. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Bye.